Now record. Okay, take a look. Am I okay here? Okay, so what happens when you're in front of a cardiac monitor and you're a telemetry tech, but you're watching like 30 different people, which is way too much. There has to be a limit. There has to be a limit as to how many people or heart monitors is safe to watch, and obviously 30 is over the limit. A lot of hospitals haven't determined what a limit is, but obviously if you have multiple people degrading into different, life-threatening rhythms, you're going to be all over the place, right? So, studies need to be done with regard to the safe amount of people that one telemetry technician can watch at one particular point in time. So while your job as a telemetry technician is going to be, when you come on to shift, you're going to pull the strips of everybody that you're watching. You're going to pull a 6-second strip, you're going to put it in a chart, you're going to interpret the rhythm. Then toward the end of your shift, or middle, depending on how long your shift is, you're going to pull another rhythm for all of your patients. I want you to pay close attention to the fact that even though it gives you the heart rate, you still have to calculate the heart rate. That doesn't take away from your job. What I've showed you is the best way to accurately calculate distances. Obviously we were off maybe a point or two, and that's acceptable because we were all within the norm. Okay, but regardless, if you see something wrong, you have to address that situation. Okay, never think that, remember what I said, everything has to match up. The heart rate, the PR, the QRS, and the QT, right? We use all of those parameters to determine what type of a rhythm we have, don't we? Right? Okay, so what we're going to do right now is I'm going to show you some different rhythms. You're not going to be able to memorize all these rhythms at one time. You're going to have to go online. You're going to have to watch the videos. You're going to have to be able to learn these on your own. One class is not going to make you a telemetry technician by any means. This requires study, as you can all see, right? It requires study and diligence. We have books. They're $50 a piece if you want to pick up a book. The book is also, we put it online. So if you go into the course itself, you'll see a lot of the same, pictures and things like that. Sometimes it's easier to have a book to measure. Okay?
The book is just for the telemetry.
Yes, it is. The telemetry and EKG. Any questions up till now? Any questions or comments? Okay? Let's go through another couple rhythms. I'll let you take a look at them, and then we're going to switch gears and we're going to hook up the EKG machine. How's that sound? Good? All right, cool.